Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Unarc.Dll and Isdone.Dll error in any Windows, so let's get started. Why this happen? The error is caused because your computer doesn't have enough storage capacity, RAM or HDD, to hold the installation files in memory. The Isdone.Dll error message sometimes seen in Windows 10 is related to the incomplete installation of PC games or files of larger size. As we know, games with good graphics and fast play are resource-intensive and consume much storage space. As such, they have to be compressed before downloading to your PC and then unpacked to the hard drive before installation. If any error occurs in your PC's RAM during this process or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may flash the Isdone.Dll error. How to fix? Method number 1. Disable your antivirus, because if your anti-malware program blocks or otherwise interferes with a game installation, you may end up with a failed install. Disabling or exiting the antivirus software isn't the same thing as uninstalling it completely. All you need to do is temporarily turn it off your antivirus during the installation of any game and then re-enable it. Method number 2. Replace Isdone.Dll and Unarc.Dll and re-register via Registry Tools. First go to this website and download both files like I did. Now extract both files. Copy the newly extracted DLL files. Browse to see Windows, System 32. Right-click and select Paste. This may ask you to replace the files. Select OK. Do the same for SysWow64. After this, press Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. Type CMD into the Run dialog and press OK. In CMD, type the following. Press Enter to execute the command. Now restart your PC. Increasing virtual memory amount of physical RAM capacity.
Click on the Start button and click on Control Panel. Make sure that your category view is selected in the upper right hand corner and click on System and Security. Now click on System and then Advanced System Settings. On the Advanced tab in the Performance group, click on the Settings button. Now click on the Advanced tab, and in the Virtual Memory group, click on Change. Now by default, Windows 7 is set to automatically manage paging file sizes for all drives. You can uncheck that. Click on Custom Size and make sure that the recommended amount of RAM is put in as the initial size. In this case, 5949. That's 5.949 gigabytes. Now the maximum size should be twice that number, which is 11,898 in my case. Make sure that your system drive is selected, in my case drive C, and click on Set. Now of course you can change these numbers and experiment to see what performance is best for your system, but these are the standard recommended values. Click OK, and you will get a notification that the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Click OK. Click OK on the Performance Options box, and click OK on the System Properties box. You'll be prompted to restart your computer. Click on Restart Now, and your changes will take effect.
Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.